Making money quickly as a female in today's society can be a bit of a challenge. There's no doubt that women have plenty of potential and can succeed in any industry they wish to be part of. But unfortunately, there are still some biases that can make it difficult to make money quickly in particular. Still, there are plenty of great options available for women seeking to make money fast. Here are 4 ways for women to make a quick buck. Number 1. Pet sitting or walking. Walking or sitting pets can be a great way for women to make money fast. If you have an affinity for animals, you may consider pet sitting or dog walking as a viable option. Many pet owners are willing to pay to have their pets taken care of or exercised. And if you offer long-term pet sitting services, you can potentially make a lot of money in the long run. Number 2. Become an influencer on social media. Social media has become one of the most popular ways for women to make money. Becoming an influencer is a great way to gain followers, promote products and services, and make money in the process. Working with brands related to fashion, beauty, skincare, travel, and more are all possible career paths to explore with this option. Number 3. Sell high-quality products. If you're looking to make cash quickly, don't bother with commodities like aluminum cans and empty glass bottles. Instead, focus on selling high-quality products that are in demand, such as name brand and designer clothing, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. By selling products that people actually want to buy, you can make money faster than if you sold items of lesser quality. Number 4. Selling food. Cooking is a great way for women to make some quick money. Start by preparing one special dish you specialize in, and then expand your menu from there. Once your culinary business grows, you will be able to supply food for parties, weddings, and other events. The earning potential for knowledgeable cooks is high. By utilizing any of these methods, women can make money faster and more reliably than traditional methods. The possibilities are truly limitless when it comes to making a quick buck in today's digital age. If you liked the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.